boy, that's gonna be expensive. In the last video, I told you how I went from being a broke college kid to working in pro racing, and obviously, eventually, I bought this. But here's the truth about owning a race car that nobody tells you. It's a logistical nightmare. I built a business to solve that problem. We call it Arrive and Drive. And it means exactly that. You show up to the track, the tires are fresh, the fuel is in, and the car is prepped and ready. We provide the coaching, the video and data analysis, and when you've had a safe, awesome, incredible day at the track, you don't clean the car, you don't fix the car, you don't worry about it. You just have the awesome memories to take with you. And let's be clear, this isn't a BMW M4 street car with a big carbon fiber wing on the back. This is a real IMSA race car. If you have any questions about driving this race car, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you get in the driver's seat. And even if you don't even have any racing equipment, we've got gloves, helmets, and Hans devices for you so you can drive a race car.